Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right with you here is Engineer OC. Today I'm going to teach you how to factory restore HUAWEL mobile phone. As you can see here, although on this phone the label is written on the body Honor, but the operating system is HUAWEL. You can see, though when you open the cover on the hardware of the phone is written Honor, but the operating system software is HUAWEL. Now I'm going to teach you in a simple way how to factory restore the phone without using a PC. Now if you want to do this, you look at the side here. Down here is the power button, up here is the volume down button, and the third is the volume up button. Now when you look at the volume up button and the power button, you put your two fingers on them. Put your finger on the power button, don't press, just put on it, and then you put your second finger on the volume up button. Now you press the both of them simultaneously like this. After pressing, you hold it, you keep holding it. By the time the phone powers up like this, you leave the power button and then you continue holding the volume up button. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. You can see the operating system, the name, HUAWEL. Continue holding it until the screen disappears, and then keep holding it. The menu will pop up for you. Now here is your menu here. You can see the instructions. You can see volume up or volume down to move, and then power to select. Now you see your second option, restore wipe data stroke factory reset. Now in this particular mobile phone, you can either use your volume down button to move like this, to scroll or highlight the options, and then you use the power button to select also. Or if you don't want to use the button by the side, you can also use your touchpad, because concerning this particular mobile phone, even the touchpad also function. For example, you click, you can see it's formatting. That is for the cache, but the main reset is the second option, which is the wipe data stroke factory reset. Now clicking it will wipe the phone. It will ask you confirm wipe of all user data. Now when you select wipe data, it will now start wiping. You can see it's wiping like that. So when it's complete, you can see it has been wiped complete. Now you can reboot your system, and then you can use your phone afresh all over again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more videos. Thank you.